Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, I made another purchase for some constitutional silver, some junk silver, some 90%. It's all the same great stuff. This video probably won't be too long. I just wanted to show you what I picked up. So let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, well, as you can see, we've got some dimes here. We got some uncirculated Kennedy halves. Now, I've talked before about not paying premium for uncirculated type BU type constitutional silver, but this guy has been selling it to me below spot. So I paid a little bit more overall for these two because I didn't have enough of the non-uncirculated stuff to kind of drive the price down like I normally do. But still, between the two of them, let me look at my chart. I paid 17 cents below spot. And I usually don't give you the numbers really because, spot changes so frequently that it really wouldn't be pertinent as far as what the exact number was. What's really important is, how much below spot, at least to me, that I paid. So it drives down my dollar cost averaging. So between these two, it works out to 9.80 troy ounces of silver. So you just take the face value, multiply by 0.715, and that's how I arrive at that number. So let's look at what we got here. So we've got 37 Roosevelt silver dimes, which are right there. Let's push them over here a little bit. And just, standard issue Rosies. But these here I really like. These are the almost uncirculated. He calls them AUs. And I think they're AUs to be used. And look at the sides of these things. Aren't these things gorgeous? And so I'll try not to bang them up too much, but I will be taking them out of the tubes to take a picture. So let's pick one out of here randomly. Look at that. Isn't it beautiful or what? Let's take another one here. Got a little bit of dings on it, and some toning. That's really just toning there, that cloudy kind of look. The backs of these things are really what are so fantastic. Look at the mirror finish on my thumb there. Let's go ahead and throw it under the coin cam for a second and just take a quick look at it. Everybody knows what these look like, but oh yeah, look at that. Classic Kennedy. Let me see if I can focus it a little better. Oh, look at that. You can see the dings on the cheeks in front of the nose, but overall probably more from like me dumping them out to look at them, things like that. Let's go ahead and throw another one on real quick. I'll just pick another one randomly here and just take a quick look at it. Yeah, look at that. Looks good. Not too many dings on that one. And let's take a look at that gorgeous back again as well. Now these are, like I saw on the other camera, pretty shiny. This coin cam doesn't really pick up on the shininess of it. Probably because of the filter it's on there. But look at that. Isn't that thing gorgeous? Just gotta love a nice Kennedy, don't you? Look at those things. So anyway, let me go ahead and flip back here. And take a look at these. So a roll of Kennedys is $10. These dimes equal up to $13 or $3.70, so it's $13.70 total. Move my camera over a little bit. Let's get this thing centered, and that's it. So $13.70 times 0.715. If I did the math right, works out to 9.8 troy ounces. So thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, why don't you go ahead and do that now? Just go ahead and click on the subscribe button. And also, check out these video recommendations that I popped up for you. Got some great content in there. Go ahead and click on them and check them out. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.